Good day, everyone. Welcome to our channel. I'm Shwan. I'm Joji, your accounting stewards for the day. Today, we will give you insights about these two types of accounting title, the cost of sales and the notes payable. Stay tuned, everyone. We will start our discussion. Ate Shwan. Thank you, Joji. Cost of sales, also known as cost of goods sold, refers to the direct cost of producing goods or products the company sells. Cost of sales includes raw materials. This refers to the cost of the components being used to create a product. Next is the direct labor. This is the salaries of the manpower being used or the one that provide the service. Manufacture overhead. It is the equipment or the utilities in the manufacturing the product. Next is the shipping cost. This is the shipping expense for the shipment of the product. And the other direct costs are the packaging software, licensing that is used to purchase the product. Next is the cost of sale formula. So this has a formula. The beginning inventory plus purchase minus ending inventory is equals the cost of sales. Next is the importance of cost of sales. First, profitability. It is the key to ensure higher profits. Next is the pricing strategy. It helps you set competitive prices over other businesses. Next is cost management. Helps business identify areas where the cost can be reduced. Lastly, financial planning. It helps businesses plan for the future and make better financial stabilities. Like for example, Ella's Electronics. It is a business entity. Ella buys and sells smartwatches. At the start of the month, Ella has 50 smartwatches in inventory. During the month, she buys 100 more watches at $80 each. By the end of the month, she has 60 smartwatches left. So, how many watches Ella sold during the month?
So the second accounting title is that the notes payable. So the notes payable is a form of promissory notes details to a principal amount. So interest rate and due date is recorded as a liability on a balance sheet.
So, these are the key aspects of notes payable. So, the first aspect is a formal agreement. It is a notes payable is a legally binding a written contract. So, next is a specific term. So, the specific term is a note includes the exact amount of the money to be repaired, the interest rate charged on the loan, and a specific majority date for repayment. So next is a parties involved, especially the borrower, marker, sign the notes. And the next is promissory the pay the lender or the payer. Next is balance sheet classification. So it is a notes payable are classified as a liability on a balance sheet. So next is a current liability. It is if the loan is due within 1 year on a balance sheet date. And then lastly is a non-current liability or a long term. It is if the loan's maturity if more than 1 year in the future. So this is the example of notes payable. So the first example is that a company borrowing money from a bank to purchase a significant asset. So the next example is that a business taking out a formal loan to acquire new equipment. And the last example is that a formal loan agreement between two companies. So this is my real life scenario in notes payable. So example, Joji acquired a product in a certain business, but Joji write a note to promise when to pay. That's all. Thank you.
So that's it. I hope you've learned a lot about our topic. The first topic is the cost of sale. The next is notes payable. Thank you everyone for listening. And that's all. God bless us all.